Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Google account. It's pretty quick and easy. We'll just go to google.com and click sign in. And we want to create an account. So for my first name I'll put down my name, Hal. Last name will be Kench. So my username will be halkench123@gmail.com. And now it's time to choose a password. Right, if you click this little eyeball here, it'll show you your passwords, what they really look like, instead of these little dots, so you can see if you got them all correct. I'm not going to do that here because I don't want anyone to see my password. And we'll click next. Oh, I need a stronger password. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, good. Phone number, optional. I'm going to leave mine blank for right now, but I would recommend putting yours in there so you can do a password recovery if you need to. It'll text your phone. So my recovery email address, again, it's optional. I'm never going to use this account, so I'm not even going to put one in here. But I would recommend putting in your school account here or somewhere else. If you ever forget or get locked out of your Google account, you can always have a recovery email sent to your other email address. Okay, and then they want your birthday on here and your gender. I'm going to see if I can just get away without telling them any of that. No, they at least want the gender. Oh, no, I'd rather not say. How about that? Oh, it's going to make me put my birthday in too, so I'm going to lie about it. I'm just put January 1st, 1970. Now I'll click next. And we've got our terms of service and privacy. You relinquish all rights, blah, blah, blah. I agree. Now you can see I have a little H icon up top here. So that's my, I'm signed in. I know that I'm already signed in because I have it. My other account up here is paused, so I can do this with a new account. So we're just going to leave it as is right now. And if I click on that H right here in my Google account, you can see my address is halkench123@gmail.com. I can add other accounts to it as well. And I can change my icon here from this H to a photo or an emoticon or emoji, whatever they call it. So I could drag a picture into here, or I can select a file from my computer. So let's give that a try. I have one on my desktop ready to roll here, I think. There we go. I'm going to choose this picture and hit open. Okay, we'll look good. Hit set as profile photo. And now it doesn't change here right away, but if I were to email somebody and they were to look at my Google account, that picture would show up right away. In here, eventually it'll catch up. I'm not sure why that happens. So now I'm signed in. I have my Google account is active, along with my Gmail account. So I'm just going to sign out here, because you never want to leave your computer signed in unless you're at home. We'll click sign out. And now I'm all signed out of Google. So if I want to go back in, I'll just simply click sign in. And now we already have an account, so I don't have to go through all those other steps again. And here we are right here, halkench123@gmail.com. If there were other accounts on this computer set up right now, I would click that button that I just clicked there to go to the other ones. So I'm going to put my password in here. Click next. All right. It's asking me to provide a recovery email and a recovery phone number. Again, I don't want to do that because I'm not really going to use this account. And if I put it in, it's probably going to say, oh, number is already used with another account. So now I'm signed in. I see my picture. See my picture popped up here, finally propagated over here. And we've got our Google Apps button here, so we can add stuff in here, take stuff out. We've got our photos, our calendar. You can rearrange. I like to have my calendar up top so I can get to it quickly. I like my Drive up top. I like my Gmail up top too. So again, all the things I go to regularly are up top. Things that I go to rarely, we can bring them down on the bottom. Okay, so for instance, the Play Store, I don't need that. Photos, I'll move them up. YouTube, of course. And Who Wants News? It's all the same stuff every day. So now I've got my apps are all set up. So now every time I sign back in and I click these little dots here to bring up my Google Apps, I always have my Google Drive, my calendar, and my Gmail are right here at the ready. So when I go home and sign into my Google account, it'll be the exact same thing. Now I'm all done once again, so I'm going to sign out. I'll just click on my face and click Sign Out. And we're all signed out. So there you have it, folks. That's how you create your Google ID.